So another example under expansion of algebraic expression. Here we have a three different product of three different expressions. Here we have a product of similar expansion expressions. And say that you are repeating the same, you are multiplying the same thing 5 times. Here the case is different. Here the case is similar. So for the first example, we use the normal method of expansion. So for this first example, you cannot use what do we call it? You can't use binomial expansion, and you cannot use Pascal triangle because they are not similar. But look at this, the second example. You can make use of binomial expansion. You can make use of a Pascal triangle. So let's consider the first one. So we have a 3x plus y 2x plus 3y, then x minus 7y. So for this first one, you can use any of these two methods. Since product of real numbers is associative, so you may decide to multiply the first two together and later multiply by the third one. And if you like, you can multiply the last two together, then multiply your result with the first one. Anyone you take, you are still going to get the same result because this is associative. Now let's take the first two together. So we have a 3x plus y, 2x plus 3y. Let's multiply this together first. Then whatever we get, use multiply it by this one. So just same way we multiply. So we multiply 3x by everything. So we have 3x multiplied by x plus 3y. Multiply this plus 2y again, multiply by 2x plus 3y. Now let's open the bracket. So this multiply by this, that's just 6x squared. 2 times 3 is 6, x times 3 x squared. Multiply this again by this, that's 3 times 3 9, xy. So 3xy multiplied by y, 3 times 3 is 9, x times y. We do the same. Y multiplied by 3, that is 2xy. Y multiplied by 3, y, that is 3y. Simplify further, we have a 6x squared. These two are like terms, so we can add them together. 9 plus 2, that is 11, plus 11xy plus 3y. Now, the expansion of the first two expressions here is this. Then we can now multiply this by this. Meaning, our question, which is a 3x plus y, multiplied by 2x plus 3y, multiplied by x minus 7y, is now the same as the result of these two. So that is 6x squared plus 11xy plus 3y squared multiplied by this x minus 7. So expansion of this is what you have here now. So we want to multiply this one by this. So you multiply the 6x squared by everything in this bracket plus 11xy multiplied by everything here plus this also multiplied by this. So now let's do that. So we have a 6x squared multiplied by everything, so that is an x minus 7y plus 11xy. You take 6x. Next, you take plus 11 xy. Then multiply by whatever x minus 7. Then plus 3y square. Multiply by x minus 7. Now we want to expand as usual. 6x square multiplied by x. So here x square multiplied by x, that is x to the power of 3. So we have 6x to the power of 3. 6x square multiplied by 7, negative 7y. So 6 times 7, that's 42. So negative 42 minus 42 x square y. 11xy multiplied by x. So this becomes square. So that is plus 11x square plus 11x square y. 11xy again multiplied by 7. 11 times 7, that's negative 77 minus 77 x y square. 3y square multiplied by x, that's plus 3x y square. Then multiply this again, minus 3 times 7, that's minus 21 y to the power of 3. Y square multiplied by y, that's y to the power of 3. Now let's add the like terms together. So we have 6x to the power of 3. Here we have x square, this is another x square. S square y, s square y. 42 plus 11, that's 53. No, sorry. This is negative, this is positive. So addition of positive and negative numbers together, you are indirectly subtracting. So take 11 from 42, that's 31. So negative 31 x square y. Negative again and positive, you subtract. That's minus 74 x y square. Then minus 21 y. And that is expansion of this. So for this one, so we are going to use Pascal triangle or binomial expansion. So stay tuned for the next video.